Hello friends, today our project is solar panel based inverter circuit. So basically we are going to use this solar panel. This solar panel is capable of producing 19 volt. This 19 volt is then fed to this circuit. This is solar charger circuit. This solar panel is providing charge to this circuit. This circuit actually is charged for the battery, which will capable of generating between 6 volt to 18 volt depending upon the setting of this potentiometer. This potentiometer used to set the output voltage. This output voltage is then fed to the battery, and then we utilize this battery to feed 12 volt to this circuit. This is the inverter circuit, which will get 12 volt and will convert into 230 volt. This is a socket. This socket is capable of producing. This socket is providing actually 230 volt on the output. We can use like a mobile phone charger and a laptop or LCD, these type of instruments which are working on 230 volt through this port. And this is the toggle switch which will on and off the output of this circuit, right? And this is the further button which will allow the bulb and this port to get output, right? If I on, then this is on. So this is LED indicator. This LED indicator will show output is on, and this LED indicator will show load is heavy or overload. So if you will apply heavy load like AC or geyser on this port, because this is capable of generating only 100 watt, right? So if you are using high voltage, then you are not able to get high voltage. The circuit will cut automatically and this LED will glow. So this is also have protection of overload circuit, right? This is all about this circuit. You can charge mobile phone or all these type of things from this project. As you can see, LED is glowing. This LED is glowing. It means you can get 230 volt as a charger, 230 volt to this charger and get 12 volt out.